ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Yeah, I'll call the names, you can read. Girijaji, you can read from the page on the written side. Matra yuktaha shabdaha.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Guruji. Mata, Shakha, Mala, Tara, Bhasha. Then can I continue?
Yeah, please can read the full page. Yeah.
I Kapihi, I Kapihi, Kavihi, Ravihi, Manihi, Atitihi, Sarathihi. Is that right, Guruji? Sarathihi.
Sarathihi, yeah, correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sarathihi. E. Sakhi. Masi. Shati. Janani. Bhagini.
Yes, good. Next person now, Annapurnaji, you can read.
Om Namah Shivaya. Pashuhu.
Yeah.
Sadhu.
What is it again?
Sadhu.
Yes, good. Sadhu.
Guruhu.
Guruhu.
Guruhu. Dayaluhu.
Good.
Vayaluhu.
Bhayaluhu.
Vayaluhu.
Okay.
Vamihi. No, Bhumihi.
Bhumihi. Yeah.
Suchi.
Suchi. Both are long.
Suchi.
Su also long and chi also. That E. U and E both are long.
Suchi. Kulam.
Kulam, not kulam. Kulam.
Kulam. Moolam. Rupam.
Good.
Kripa.
Kru is short. Kripa.
Kripa. Tripa. No. Tresha.
Good.
Nupaha.
Again.
Nrupaha.
Nripaha. Nripaha.
Nrupaha.
Yes.
Nrupaha. Kripanam. Kripanaha.
Good.
Vrishapaha.
Good. Vrishabhaha.
Vrishabhaha. Keshaha.
Okay.
Deshaha. Deshaha. Lekhakaha.
Lekha. All are that A is long. Ka and ka both are short. But vowels in them are short. Lekhakaha.
Lekhakaha.
Not lekakaha. Lekhakaha.
Lekhakaha. Sevakaha.
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 Keshaha. Veshaha. Deshaha. Lekhakaha. Sevakaha. Meshaha. Vrikshaha. Kupaha. All those things are on the left hand side. Okay, next person now. Prabhakarji, you can read.
Guruji. Hari Om Guruji. Sai, Shai, Shailaha, Sailam, Daivam, Kailashaha, Shaivalaha, O, Yogaha, Bhogaha, Lobaha, Gokilaha, Gopalaha, Auraha, Gauraha, Chauraha, Gauravam, Gaurabam, Gaurabam.
The last one.
Okay.
Gauravam, the previous one. The last one.
Yes. Oh, this is Nauka.
No, the last one. Gauravam you read. The five
Oh, okay.
words.
Gaurab. Okay, Gaurabam. Gaurabam.
Okay, after that.
Oh, sorry. Shaurabam.
Saurabam, not Shau. Saurabam.
Saurabam.
Okay, good.
Very good.
Your reading is fine. You're reading properly now. The next person.
Thank you, Guru.
Manjulaji, you can read.
वंशः सिंहः संसारः संस्कृतं
Good. Sanskritam. Now you can read Sanskritam. Okay.
पुत्रः छात्रः शिक्षकः नर्तकः मानवः फलं बलं कुलम् आसनं भोजनं पूर्वं सर्वं सूर्यः दूर्वा मूर्तिः.
Good. Now this workbook is done, finished, completed. The next one, only the words I want you to read. Next person, Ramji can read.
Yes, Namaste Sharanji.
Namaste.
Namaste. So I can start from Magna, right?
Yeah, you can read, yes.
मग्न मुग्ध योग्य ज्वरः लज्जा ज्योतिषः कंठः घंटा मुंडम तथ्यम पथ्यम पृथ्वी चिंता कंथा मंदिरम कृष्णः पुष्पम भीष्मः स्थानम स्वास्थ्यम भस्म.
Yeah, please continue.
Okay. Yeah. I think we went. Yeah.
Shrutva likha.
Yeah. Shrutva likha. Agnihi Vagdevi Bhagna Dugdha
Dagdha.
Jwala Dagdha Jwala Kajjalam Dandaha Kantakah Andam Mandukah Chandalah Shundaha Gantakah Shunti Bhandam
Shunti Visarga is there.
Shunti. Oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Shuntihi Bhandam Vantanam Prithvirajah Sandehah Shantihi Janma Anyayah Kashtam Nashta Drishta
Dushta.
Dushta Ashta Nishphala Puraskarah Asti Astu Dasyami.
Good. Next person now. Meghalaji.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste. 1
Where
minute.
should I start?
Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah. Yes, you can read now. Ucha from there.
Okay.
See on the right hand side.
Ucha,
Yeah.
Ucha, Icha, Achyutah, Pancha, Pancharam, Jhacha,
It is Panjaram, not Pancharam. Pancha is there, then Panjaram.
Pan,
The second word,
Panjaram,
second column, Panjaram.
Panjaram, Jhacha,
Okay.
Atma,
It is Janja.
Jhanja, Jhanja, Atma, Satkarah, Utsavah, Dhyanam, Dhvanihi, Adhyayah, Sapta, Apsara, Swapnah, Kampah, Gumfa, Arambah, Shayya, Sahayam, Nyayah, Nyaya,
Nyaya.
Nyaya,
Nyaya. And
Nyaya,
Gumpha. It's pa only, not Gumpha. Gumpha.
Gumpha,
Yeah.
Gumpha.
Yes. Continue. Okay.
Excuse me,
Shrutva
Guruji.
Likha.
Yeah. Somebody is asking some doubt. Yes.
Yeah. I just quite didn't get the letter pa and ja and nya. Pancha, is
Janja.
it?
It is Jan.
No, not Janja. The one to the left of it, the first one. Pancha,
Panjaram.
is it?
Panjaram.
Panja is like the lion's panja,
Pa.
is it?
Pa.
Panjaram is different. Panjaram is nest. Anyway, Panjaram is whole. I mean, that's okay. Meaning part you leave it. Doesn't matter.
Panja, is that?
It is Panja. The first one is Pancha.
Yeah, the first
Second
one. Yeah, first one I didn't.
First one is Pancha. 5. Pancha. Second
Pancha,
one is
5. Okay.
Panjaram.
Panjaram. Yeah, I got it.
The first one Cha is there and the second one Ja is there.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, continue.
Shrutva Likha. Uchchaihi, Uchcharanam, Kachapah, Prichati, Ichchati, Manchah, Sanjayah, Panchika,
Not Sanjaya, it is Sanchayaha. Sanjaya is different.
Sanchaya.
Name is there.
Sanchayah.
Is Sanchaya here?
Sanchayah. Panchika. Chanchal.
Chanchala.
Anjanam. Chanchala. Anjanam. Cheetkarah. Utthanam. Yatnah. Ratnam. Tyagah. Vatsah. Matkunah. Kavitvam. Duratvam. Adhyayanam. Adhyapakah. Adhyapika. Adhyakshah. Adhyaksha. Dvajah. Vidvasta. Saptam. Viplavah. Apnoti. Pipli. Lamphah. Kumbah.
Lampaha.
Chumbak. Lamphah.
Lampaha.
Kumbah. Lamphah.
Lampaha. It is pa.
Okay. Lamphah. Lamphah. Kumbah. Chumbakah. Champakam. Vilambah. Sammanah. Kambalah. Aviganaya.
Aviganaya.
Avignaya.
No. Aviganaya.
Aviganaya.
Not Ganaya. Ganaya. Yakara and Ya is there.
Okay. Aviganaya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Aviganaya. Aviganaya. That is Aviganaya.
Aviganaya.
Yes.
Yeah.
Next person now. Manogarji can read.
Thank you.
हरि ओम गुरुजी
Namaste.
सख्यम
Yeah.
सौख्यम विख्यातः
Kyata only. Sarga
Oh,
not
sorry.
there.
विख्यात विघ्नः कृतघ्न
Krutagna.
कृतघ्न शत्रुघ्नः उज्यात
Ujjat.
उज्यात अज्यास्ताम
Ujjastam.
उज्यास्ताम उज्यास्ताम अज्यासुः
Ujjasuhu.
शब्द
Ujjasuhu.
उज्यासुः
First one is Ujjat, Ujjastam, Ujjasuhu.
हाँ.
So it is
Ujjat.
the combination of Jakara plus Jha plus then Ya plus vowel. So two Jakaras are there.
Okay.
It is not E. Okay, don't mistake us. Okay, let me ask. Can E be there in between the two consonants? What will happen to E? Jakara, suppose if it is E, then Jakara plus E will become G. Right?
Yeah.
Therefore, it is Mahaprana. Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha. That Jha is written. The vertical stroke is removed. That is what you see there. So don't confuse with the letter, with the vowel E. It is not E, it is Jha. The first one is Alpaprana. Third letter of the Chavarga, second letter in the consonant. I'm talking about conjunct consonant. Among the conjunct consonant, the first letter is Alpaprana, second letter is Magaprana. I hope all of you follow.
Okay.
Continue, please.
उज्यात उज्यास्ताम उज्यासुः
Suhu.
सुः उज्यासुः शब्द है गुब्ज लब्ध अभ्यासः अभ्यास्त
Abhyasta.
अभ्यस्त अभ्यागतः व्यता व्यापारः दिव्य श्वः श्लोकः
वृश्चिकः
वृश्चिकः लक्ष्यं तीक्ष्ण सूक्ष्म त्र्यम्बकः
Yeah, that's correct.
स्वातन्त्र्यम् आमन्त्रय राज्ञै
Okay.
राज्ञाम्
Okay.
I read the next one.
Yeah, please, you can read the first, the ka part you can read.
Guruji, before that, I have a doubt with one of the words. You read it as Vrishtikaha. I am not able. Yeah. Can you help me with that, Guruji? I don't see a t.
There is no t. Vrishchikaha only.
Vrishchikaha. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Thank you.
Okay. श्रुत्वा लिख श्वः अध्यापकः शब्दरूपाणाम् अभ्यासं कारयिष्यति.
Again, read it again.
कारयिष्यति.
Again.
कारयिष्यति.
Again.
कारयिष्यति. Again. कारयिष्यति.
Now it's a sentence. Okay, first you read word by word. That's okay. Shvaha adhyapakah shabdarupanam abhyasam karayishyati. Now you read without a long pause between them.
Okay. शवः अध्यापकः शब्दरूपाणाम् अभ्यासं कारयिष्यति.
Good. It is shvaha. Okay, not shavaha. Shvaha. Okay, shvaha means tomorrow. Shvaha adhyapakah shabdarupanam abhyasam karayishyati. Sentence. Next line you can read.
Okay.
First read word by word, then you read without any long pause.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. तत्परं व्याकरणस्य
Again.
व्याकरणस्य.
Again, read properly.
व्याकरणस्य. व्याकरणस्य अन्यान् विषयान् पाठयिष्यति. तत्परं व्याकरणस्य अन्यान् विषयान् पाठयिष्यति. Yeah.
It is patayishyati. Read it properly.
पाठयिष्यति.
Karayishyati, patayishyati. Right.
तत्परं व्याकरणस्य अन्यान् विषयान् पाठयिष्यति. अस्माभिः स्वातन्त्र्यं लब्धम्.
Asmabihi, not asmabiha. Asmabihi, not biha. Visarga takes sound of the preceding vowel. We saw that. Asmabihi.
स्वातन्त्र्यं लब्धम्. स्वातन्त्र्यस्य सुरक्षा अस्माकं लक्ष्यम्.
Good.
स्वातन्त्र्यात् परं राज्ञाश्च शासनं लुप्तम्.
Good. Next person now. Lataji, you can read the next one. Kha. Individual words are given. You can read.
आख्यानम् आख्यायिका शुक्यात् पापग्न शुक्यात पापग्न विषग्न अब्दः लुब्ध आरब्ध स्तब्नाति स्तब्नासि स्तब्नामि व्यासेदवः
Vyasadeva.
व्यासदेवः व्यास्य
Vyakhya. Slowly.
व्याख्या
Hmm.
व्याख्या व्यस्त रश्मिः अश्वः विश्वम् अवश्यं श्मशानं निश्चयः पश्चात् अश्नाति वक्ष्यति सक्ष्यति
Continue.
अल्का
Not Alka. Read properly.
उल्का उल्लासः कल्पतरुः कल्पना फाल्गुनः फुल्लपूरः मल्लिका वल्गा बल्लूकः मल्ल प्रफुल्ल
Prafulla.
प्रफुल्ल
Yes.
प्रफुल्ल
Yes. Now next person.
next
Next person. Rituji, you can read. Starting from Chakram.
Krayaha from Kra, Chakram, Vakram, Krida, Shramaha, Shramikaha, Parishramaha, Chatram, Patram, Kshetram, Shrutva Likha, Krayaha, Vajraha, Graha, Gramaha,
Gragaha.
Gragra,
Grahaha.
Grahaha,
Yes.
Gradhaha. It's Gradhaha.
No, where is it? Krayaha, Vajraha, Gragaha. Grahaha.
Yeah, Graha I got. Gramaha.
Oh, next one. Okay.
Gradhaha.
Gridraha.
Gridraha. Gridraha. Pranaha. Tisraha.
Good. Tisraha.
Pranamaha. Tisraha. Pranamaha. Prakashaha. Shigram. Amram. Sahasram. Tamrapatram. Grahanam. Brahmanam. Griva. Prod. Pratham.
Proud. Yes.
Proud. Yeah, like the English proud.
Yeah, it's actually it's something similarities. Proud.
Oh, okay. Proud. Prathama.
Good.
Prathama. Prataha. Chitram. Mitram. Gatram. Patram. Trayaha. Veeni. Trini. Sorry, I couldn't read that. Trini. Treen. Tribhyam. Tribhyah. Trayanam. Trishu. Trishulam. Truti. Trinshat. Putraha. Putri. Chhatraha. Chhatra. Ratrihi. Shatruhu. Triyodasha. Shriman. Shrimati. Ashramaha. Ashrayaha. Ashrita. Shrimata. Vishramaha. Shravanaha. Sushrihi. Sridharaha. Sushrihi. Sridharaha. Shreni. Shravanam. Mishranam. Shruyate Shrutam.
Good. Next person. Anand. Anand, you can read. Which is on the left hand side.
Yeah, Sharanji Ram here. It's my turn, right?
Yeah. Sorry? No, Anand. Ask Anand to read.
Anand.
Are you
Okay.
there? Anand ji. Okay. Oh, Rashmi ji, you can read.
कर्म
Yeah.
दर्पः घर्मः कर्णः कर्कटः मर्म सर्पः धर्मः वर्णः मर्कटः कुर्मः कूर्मः कीर्तिः मूर्तिः निर्दया निर्भया निर्जन
Yeah.
निर्धन निर्जन निर्धन गर्जनम तर्जनम तर्कः सूर्यः अर्थः पर्वतः आदर्शः कर्पूरः गर्दभः निर्झरः दुर्गतिः दुर्नीतिः दुर्बल निर्दोष वार्षिक नर्मदा कर्तनी दुर्नाम कार्यम वीर्यम धैर्यम व्यर्थम पूर्वम दुर्गम भक्तिः
Yeah.
शक्तिः मुक्तिः युक्तिः बुक्कति श्रुत्वा लिख वाक्यम रक्तम युक्ताक्षरम भक्तः ऐक्यम क्लेशः शुक्ल अपक्व वियुक्त सक्तुः सिक्त उक्त नक्तम.
Good. Next person. Priyaji, you can read.
Okay. Angah.
Ankah.
Pangah.
Ankah. Not Angah. Ankah.
Ankah.
Yeah.
Ankah. Pankah. Rangkah. Shankah. Shrunkala. Shatakya.
It is not Shadakya. The dot is to the right of the letter. What letter is that?
Oh, Sankhya.
Good. Sankhya. Good.
Rangaha. Pankaha. Sangaha. Sanktaha. Jankaha. Janga.
Sangha. Gha. Magaprana. Sangha. Jangha.
Janga. Sangaha.
Then?
Langtanam.
Langhanam.
Langhanam.
Langhanam. Okay. Then.
Yes.
Continue.
Langhanam. Ado likita.
It is ado or ado? Ado.
Atho.
Yeah.
Atho likita. Shabdana. Shabdan.
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 Ado
Shabdan.
likita shabdan.
Atho likita shabdan. Yathostanam.
Yathastanam.
Yathastanam likha.
So it's a heading. Adho likita shabdan yathastanam likha. Adho likita shabdan, the words given below. Yathastanam, as it is. Likha, right. Anyway, the meaning part not required. Read again the sentence.
Atho likita shabdan yathastanam likha.
Okay.
Shankha. Tankakaha. Sangtha.
Sanghaha. Already we saw the same letter. Same word.
Oh, okay. Santaha. Santaka.
Sanghaha.
Santaha.
Sanghaha. Not sanghaha. The third word is sanghaha. Ha prana. Gha. Okay. Continue from the fourth one.
Okay. Shankaha. Sankechaha.
Sankechaha.
Sankochaha. Sankochaha.
Yes.
Sankochaha. Sanketaha. Angam. Sangitam. Shrungam. Chankapataha. Mrudangaha. Kangataha. Langanam. Shrungala.
Shrinkhala.
Shrinkala. Dinankaha. Lavangaha. Langalam. Punganu. Pungam.
Very good. Punkhanu punkham. It is punkhanu punkham. Kha, not ga. Punkhanu punkham. Continue. Read.
Kutralaha.
Again?
Kutralaha.
No. What is the conjunct consonant given to the left of it? Dakara plus da.
Tata. Kuttalaha.
Kuddalaha.
Kuttalaha.
Not talaha. Kuddalaha.
Kuddalaha.
Okay.
Vuttalakaha. Vuttipana. Drittati.
What is the first letter? It is dr.
Ru.
Yeah.
Ruddihi.
Good.
Siddhihi. Samruttihi.
Good. Okay.
Vutbhavaha. Satbhavaha. Vutbhavanam. Padmam.
Good. Padmam. Very good. Okay.
Vedmi. Vidmaha.
Good. Okay.
Padyam. Gantyam.
Gadyam.
One more time, Shi.
Gadyam.
Gadyam.
Yes.
Naivedyam. Bantra.
Badra.
Batrahu.
No, read again. Dakara plus
Bhadra.
Bhadra. Okay.
Bhadra. Rudra. Rudrahu.
Rudraha.
Rudraha. Taritra.
Okay.
Dvayam. Dwaram. Dvitiya.
Good. Next person. Shividya ji can read.
Excuse me, Sharanji, before you continue. I seem to be not having this book printout. Can you send this PDF again, please? I want to print it out.
Already I sent these two together.
Yeah,
check
I have printed 2 books so far. But I don't have this particular one, please.
Okay, I'll send.
The one that we are now reading. Thank you.
Shividya ji, you can read from the left hand side.
Namaste Guruji. Shrudva likha.
Shrutva.
Shrudva likha.
Not dva. Shrutva likha.
Okay.
Again?
Shrudva likha.
Not dva. Shrutva. Tva.
Twa. Shrutva.
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Shrutva likha. Kha. Uddalakah. Siddhapurushaha.
Siddhapurushaha, not Sindha.
Siddhapurushaha. Asit. Uddalakah. Siddhapurushaha. Asit.
Okay.
Saha. Siddhi Balena. Saha. Siddhi Balena. Saraswatim Nadim.
Saraswatim
Nadim. Yajna Stale.
It is not B. It is not B. It is, read properly.
B.
Read letter by letter. It is V after that. Then Avir. Then Avir.
Vayamasa.
Avir bha va ya ma sa. You don't have to struggle to read the whole thing at one shot. Read letter by letter first. Avir. Bha is there. Avir bha. Then va is there. Avir bhava. Then yamasa. Avir bhava yamasa. Avir bhava yamasa. That's how you have to read.
Avir bhava yamasa.
Excuse me, Sharanji, can you move the screen, please? I'm not able to see the left side of the page.
It is seen by other, but I cannot move it further. You have to.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
So, Saha Siddhi Balena
Avir bhava yamasa.
Yastare Avir bhava yamasa.
Saha Siddhi Balena Saraswatim Nadim Yajnastale Avir bhava masa.
Avir bhava yamasa is one word. Okay.
Avir bhava masa.
It is like reading manipulation, right? So you cannot split in between the word. Same way.
Yes.
Avir bhava yamasa.
Avir bhava yamasa. Okay. Tataha arbhya.
Again.
Tataha arabhya.
Good.
Saraswati Nadha.
Nada. Read again.
Saraswati Nadaha.
It's not the.
Ga.
What is that letter?
Ga.
No.
Da and ga together.
The and ya is that. Dya.
Ya.
Dyaha is that. Dyaha is that. Nadyaha.
Dyaha.
Saraswati Nadyaha.
Saraswati Nadyaha Nama Manorama Abhavat.
Read again.
Tataha Arabhya Saraswati Saraswati Nadyaha Nama
Saraswati Nadyaha.
Nadyaha Nama Manorama Abhavat. Veerabhadraha Panja
We saw these conjunct consonants just now.
Okay.
Padma.
It's
Dakara and Ma. Padma. We saw this now. Somebody was reading Uddalaha and all those words that came.
Oh, Padma. Padma Vishaye. Padma Vishaye.
The same word you just saw about.
Nadya.
The same.
Padyam.
Padyam. You have to remember all these conjunct consonants. Then only you will be able to do it fluently.
Okay, Guruji. Padyam. Likhitava.
No, again.
Likhitva. Dritiya.
No. You see the
Dvitiya Puraskaram Praptavan.
Read again the sentence.
Veerabhadraha Padma Vishaye Padyam Likitva Dvitiya Puraskaram Praptavan.
Okay, good. Next person, Shruti ji, you can read.
Namaste Guruji. Uddeshyam Uddhanda Uddishta Yuddham
Uddishta. Not Uddis, not Sakara. Uddhanya. It is cerebral sha. Uddishta. Yes.
Yuddham Shuddha Uddaraha Vruddha Buddhadevaha Paddatihi Shraddha Siddhantaha Udbasaha Tadbhava Tadbinna Chadmaveshaha Padmavati Vidyut Vaidyaha Yadyapi Udyogaha Vadyam Udyamaha Dravyam Indraha Chandraha Nidra Tandra Haridra Mudra Drashyati Draksha Drakshyati Draksha Drashtovya,
not sa. Drashtavya.
Okay, Guruji. Drashtavya. Is it correct, Guruji?
Yeah, it's correct.
Drashtavya. Dravinam. द्विचक्रं द्विगुणं द्विगुणं द्वारपालः द्वे द्वै द्वाभ्यां द्वौ द्वे द्वौ द्वाभ्यां द्वयोः द्विजः द्वयोः द्विजः द्विवारं विद्वान् द्वाविंशति द्वात्रिंशत् द्वात्रिंशत् द्वारिका एतानि वाक्यानि
द्वारिका.
द्वारिका.
Okay, next person. Next person.
Okay, okay, Guruji. Thank you.
Sujata ji, you can read. Quickly, please read. Hello.
Yeah, Guruji, 1 minute. विद्यालयस्य उद्याने विशालाः द्रुमाः सन्ति.
Is it C or Sa?
Sandhi, sorry. Sandhi.
Sandhi or Santi?
Santi.
Not the. Santi.
Santi.
Read again the sentence.
विद्यालयस्य उद्याने विशालाः द्रुमाः सन्ति.
Santi. Read again.
विद्यालयस्य उद्याने विशालाः द्रुमाः सन्ति. द्रुमाः सन्ति.
Okay.
उद्यानस्य मध्ये Panchma.
Not Panchma. We saw that letter many times. Padma. Somebody was reading also.
Padma. Yeah. Padma Pushkarini Vatit.
Where is Vatit? Where is Ti?
Vartate.
Good. Vartate. Read again the sentence.
Padma Pushkarini Vartate.
Again.
Padma Pushkarini Vartate.
Full sentence.
उद्यानस्य मध्ये पद्म पुष्करिणी वर्तते.
Okay, good.
वयम् उद्याने कुष्ठालेन भूमिः.
Where is Shakara? That also with conjunct consonant we saw many places. Kuddalena. I mean, many people are doing, they don't know, I'm seeing this. Dakara plus ya, dhya, the form is not known. Dakara plus ma is not known. And Dakara plus that also not reading properly. You have to practice this. You can go back to this.
Yes, good.
It's the same audio,
okay.
This video later and practice this. All these conjunct consonants, the words with the conjunct consonants we just saw. It is Kuddalena.
Yes, Guruji. Kuddalena. Bhumin kanamaha.
Bhumim kanamaha. Not Bhumin. Bhumim is different. Bhumin is different.
Bhumim kanamaha.
Okay.
Lost it.
Continue.
I kind of lost it.
Padapan. Second line, last word. Padapan. Do you see that?
Padapan.
Yeah.
Yes, Guruji. Padapan. Ropayamaha. Teshu. Jalam. Cha. Sincham. Sinchamaha.
Vayam udyane uddalena bhumim karamaha padapan ropayamaha teshu jalam cha sinchamaha.
Teshu jalam cha sinchamaha.
Read a sentence again, full sentence.
Esha. Vayam udhyane kuddalena bhumim kanamaha padapan shepayamaha.
Very shaped.
Ropayamaha teshu jalam cha chinchamaha.
Not chincha, it is C. Sinchamaha.
Sinchamaha.
Okay, next person. Miraji, you can read the last paragraph. With that, we will stop today. So,
okay, ji.
Quickly, please read.
Eshaha vidyalayah mama sadhanayaha mandiram.
Good. Eshaha vidyalayah mama sadhanayaha mandiram. Okay, good. Then?
Atra vayam sakalam karyam.
Repa is there and dot is there. So karyam, not kayam. Karyam.
Atra vayam sakalam karyam Shraddhaya Bhagavatah seva bhavena kurumaha.
Atra vayam sakalam karyam shraddhaya bhagavatah seva bhavena kurmaha. Right?
Thank you.
Read again the sentence.
Atra vayam sakalam karya shraddhaya bhagavatah seva bhavena kurmaha. Asmakam udyamena eshaha vidyalayah anudinam adikam.
Not adikam.
Adikam.
Good.
Adikam samuddaha bhavati.
Not samu, it is
samruddaha bhavati.
Asmakam udyamena eshaha vidyalayah anudinam adhikam samruddhaha bhavati. Read again.
Asmakam uddamena eshaha vidyalayah anudinam. Oh, sorry, ji, which one did I make mistake?
Udyamena, not udamena. Asmakam udyamena.
Okay. Asmakam udyamena eshaha vidyalayah anudinam adhikam samruddhaha bhavati.
Okay. So we can stop here. You please practice. Since our class is only 1 week, doesn't mean you have to practice in the class only. You practice the letters, go through the PDF what I sent. You can take a printout, read. Then in the class we can go a bit fast. And if any mistakes are there, I can correct. But now you know all the conjunct consonants, you know the forms, you can read now. The words you can read now. Now the words you have to read correctly. Then the sentence reading I can teach you. So you should not, find difficult in reading the words itself. And the words as conjunct consonant. So therefore, conjunct consonant must be clear. Please do homework, all of you. We'll see in the next class. So we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnavadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. One of you can remember the page, this one. Starts with the word Virunami. We can continue from here. Okay.
Guruji.
Yeah.
Can you send this particular PDF, please? I missed this particular one. Thank you.
Yeah. Also.
I'll straight away print it today. Thank you.
Guruji,
yes.
Guruji, a different question.
Yes.
Do you know when you'll be starting the Vedanta class?
Tattvabodha, planning from tomorrow.
Yes, Guru. Okay. How do we know I'm signed up for the class?
Your name? I have added, your name will be there in the group. Your name will be there in the group.
Oh, okay. Okay, Guruji.
Name is not there, then it is not added. You'll find added to your group. One group formed and added the names.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Thank you. Namaste.